Alright guys, this is a Jaguar XF. This is a 2015. So this is a serpentine belt, guys. Routing diagram. So there's an outer belt and then there's an inner belt. This is supercharged. So guys, this applies to Range Rover 2. So just have a good look at it. It should be able to help you guys when you're rerouting your serpentine belt, the inner one and the outer one. So the inner one goes through all in here like this, guys, and comes out from the other side. So guys, I hope really this video helps you out. Just take your time as you look on how it's rerouted. See you next time.